ANC implicated in the commission. The ANC is not implicated in the commission. Individuals who are given a responsibility in government to become ministers are implicated, not the ANC. Individuals who happen to be ministers are implicated. Whether that it is true or not, it is for them in the roles they occupied. Yes, of course, deployed by the ANC to answer to those allegations. And the commission is a perfect platform, not a kangaroo court. It's a perfect platform for themselves to answer. If the commission comes to conclusions that affect these individuals, the ANC will have to act. You are correct. The Zondo Commission came and passed, and therefore the question lingers on. What does the ANC say about those who were implicated in the Zondo Commission? Is our resolution sufficient to deal with matters that even affect people in commissions? Because our resolution says you step aside when you are arrested and so on. But our resolution doesn't say what happens to you when you are implicated in terms of ethics and so on, and that is left to the Integrity Commission. So the Integrity Commission dealt with the matters, as you would have known, which affected individuals in terms of matters of integrity. Some of the people who appeared in the Zondo Commission, most of them are not even members of the ANC anymore. Others, you would have seen them. They are in the famous party next door, and they are in parliament, who have been implicated and have been arrested. If they were in the ANC, they will not be in our role at the present moment. Those who are arrested and so on. So the law enforcement must do its work, and that's it. But if you are in the ANC, you are affected and you are arrested because of the Zondo Commission, you will step aside. That's what will actually happen. So some members of the ANC have taken the outcome of the Zondo Commission on review. We don't have answers on the side of the law, even where the commission have said that they must be prosecuted. And that process is grinding. It's happening. Because prosecution can't be malicious. Work must be undertaken to prosecute anybody. Otherwise, you become a Hollywood and under pressure, succumbing to pressure groups. You take people to court and then you can't prosecute them because you don't have a case against them. So successful convictions are important in this particular instance to deal with matters. But what I can report to you is that the ANC have come a long way. The ANC have come a long way. From the days when people were arrested, implicated in corruption, and it was said that presumption of innocence. We have now implemented the step-aside rule. And as we go to the General Council, look at these resolutions, including corruption and all of that, we have implemented since the last conference. We will obviously improve on this. Obviously, society is calling on us to be more harsher and harsher and harsher on the question of corruption. But from where we come from, there is a difference. You will never find anyone who happened to be a leader or an individual implicated in acts of corruption in court, supported by people with ANC colors.